Hello everyone, welcome to this episode of UnboxID. I'm your host, Astley Ng, aka The Designer. We're here right now at 10 Tagore Drive. We're here to visit Chiellini. Come, explore with me this huge furniture showroom. Oh man, it's huge. Enjoy comfort, luxury and quality. Their furniture pieces are designed and manufactured by Chiellini, bringing you quality craftsmanship and timeless creation at an affordable price. Established in 1986 Singapore, Chiellini is an integrated group of companies that specializes in the design, manufacture, assembly, wholesale and retail of conceptualized lifestyle furniture. A market leader in modern and contemporary furniture in Singapore, Malaysia and Indonesia. What? Well, you know the showroom is so huge, right? So I thought I would do an experiment and show you how huge this showroom is. Check this out. Thank you, Lina. So in case you're wondering, it's actually Chiellini and not Cellini, named after this Italian goldsmith, sculptor and draftsman Benvenuto Cellini. So the whole idea behind the name is that it's heavily inspired by the ideal of Italian artistry, artisanal work and craftsmanship. Chiellini has a range of dining tabletop that is essentially treated with the Sensa treatment. And what is this Sensa treatment? Well, it does not require any type of special maintenance and the treatment is not affected by ordinary cleaning. Unlike conventional sealants, Sensa is not a surface treatment but treats the structure of the material chemically. The treatment supports temperatures of above 300 degrees Celsius. The treatment does not alter over time. The Sensa treatment also allows air to pass through the material, thus avoiding the appearance of moisture and stains on the surface. When it comes to modern living, we no longer just sit and watch TV at the living hall. In fact, we would dine, snack, eat and drink at the sofa area. And when it comes to the sofa area and eating and drinking, let me tell you, all sorts of accidents can happen. Your home is a comfort zone for you and your family, with the sofa being the heart of every home. Any unwanted stress in the form of a mess should be minimized, as many of us have busy and active lifestyles in Singapore. In order to have a peace of mind with our fabric sofa, it is important to make an informed decision on the fuss-free and easy-to-care fabric for your sofa to suit the needs of you and your family. We're here right now at the second level mattress section of the Chiellini showroom. What's more important than a good night's sleep? For a limited time only and exclusively for Six Sites and Chiellini followers, we have a special promotion, and that's a $500 cashback rebate for the Civil Luxe mattress. As you can see, I'm a big size guy. I'm the best candidate to test the mattress for you. Top of the range, Lux is a high-end mattress that brings you the optimal sleep care you can have with a combination of luxurious materials and innovative antibacterial technology. This mattress is built with several layers, offering incredible comfort, support, and wellness. The hand-tufted topper has a hybrid of micro springs and black diamond-treated natural latex that keeps the material constantly cool, increasing your comfort level to the max. Not only does Lux gives you the sensory appeal, but its pocketed spring system takes care of the support that is required in every high-quality premium mattress. Since their inception, Chiellini has established itself as one of the leading furniture manufacturers and designers in Singapore, with the ability to produce top-quality furniture with elegance and sophistication. With the experience they have garnered over the years in the industry, as well as comfort and quality as the hallmarks of their company, they have established themselves as a one-stop platform for living room, bedroom, and dining room furniture.